हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम हर छोटी बड़ी स्टेप को एक्सप्लेन करते हुए मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं।
Today we will prove theorems regarding to arcs of circle and their corresponding chords. The first theorem, the chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle or congruent circles are congruent. Here given is arcs of a circle are congruent and to prove is their corresponding chords are also congruent. थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए यहाँ पर हमने फिगर बना के ली है इन विच अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर बी और दो आर्क्स है, आर्क ए पी सी एंड आर्क डी क्यू ई विच आर congruent to each other and their corresponding chords are AC and DE. Given is in a circle with center B, arc APC is congruent to arc DQE and to prove is chord AC is congruent to chord DE. इसे प्रूव करने के लिए हमें ट्रायंगल्स ए बी सी एंड ट्रायंगल बी ई डी को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना होगा. इन दीज ट्रायंगल्स साइड ए बी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू साइड बी डी एंड साइड बी सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू साइड बी ई एज दीज आर रेडाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल एंड एंगल ए बी सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल डी बी ई as these are corresponding central angles of congruent arcs. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS test of congruence. And as these two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides AC and DE are congruent. And therefore, chord AC is congruent to chord डी ई. प्रूफ यहां पर हमने लिख कर लिया है. इन ट्रायंगल्स ए बी सी एंड डी बी ई, ए बी सी एंड डी बी ई, साइड ए बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू साइड बी डी, साइड बी सी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू साइड बी ई एंड रीजन इज रेडाई ऑफ सेम सर्कल. दीज फोर आर रेडाई ऑफ सर्कल विथ सेंटर बी. Angle ABC is congruent to angle DBE. Reason is corresponding central angles of congruent arcs. Here given is arc APC is congruent to arc DQE and angle ABC and angle DBE are corresponding central angles of these arcs. Therefore, these angles are congruent. And therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DBE by SAS test of congruence. Side, angle, side. Therefore, side AC is congruent to side DE. AC is congruent to DE. Reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And therefore, chord AC is congruent to chord DE, जो हमें प्रूव करना था. सेम थ्योरम हमें कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल के साथ प्रूव करना है. तो हम देखते हैं, यहां हमने बना कर लिए हैं दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट सर्कल्स विथ सेंटर M एंड सेंटर N. हियर गिवन इज आर्क APC इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू आर्क DQE. And to prove is chord AC is congruent to chord DE. यहां पर भी हमें दो ट्रायंगल्स जो मिल रहे हैं उनको congruent प्रूव करना है. In triangle AMC and DNE, side AM is congruent to side DN, side CM is congruent to side EN, as these are radii of congruent circles. And angle AMC is congruent to angle DNE, as these are corresponding central angles of congruent arcs. Therefore, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle DNE. And reason is SAS, test of congruence. And therefore, side AC is congruent to side DE. Reason is corresponding sides of congruent triangles. And therefore, chord AC is congruent to chord DE. Next theorem which we are going to prove today is corresponding arcs of congruent chords of a circle or congruent circles are congruent. In this, given is chords of a circle are congruent, and to prove is their corresponding arcs are congruent. थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए यहाँ पर हमने फिगर बना कर ली है. अ सर्कल विथ सेंटर O. Chords है PQ and RS which are congruent, and their corresponding arcs are PMQ and RNS. Given is in a circle with center O, chord PQ congruent to chord RS, and to prove is arc PMQ is congruent to arc RNS. Again, to prove this, we have to prove triangle POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. In these two triangles, side OP is congruent to side OS, side OR is congruent to side OQ, as these are radii of same circles. And side PQ is congruent to side RS. This is given in the theorem. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by test SSS for congruence. And therefore, angle POQ is congruent to angle ROS, as these are corresponding angles of congruent triangles. These two angles, angle POQ and angle ROS, are central angles of this circle with center O, and their corresponding arcs are PMQ and RNS. And as these two central angles are congruent, therefore measure of arc PMQ and measure of arc RNS is equal, and radius for these arcs are also equal. And we know if radii and measure of two arcs are equal, then these arcs are congruent. Therefore, arc PMQ is congruent to arc RNS. यहाँ पर हम प्रूफ लिख कर लेते हैं. In triangle POQ and ROS, POQ and ROS, side PO is congruent to side OS, side OQ is congruent to side RO. PO, OS and OQ and RO are congruent, as these are radii of same circle. Side PQ is congruent to side RS. It is given in theorem. Therefore, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. Triangle POQ is congruent to triangle ROS. Reason is SSS, test of congruence. And therefore, angle POQ is congruent to angle ROS. Reason is corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And as these angles are congruent, measure of arc PMQ is equal to measure of arc R and S as definition of arcs. As these arcs are corresponding arcs of these angles. And radii of these arcs are also equal. Radii of these arcs are OP and OS, and these are equal as these are of same circle. Two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal, and therefore arc PMQ is congruent to arc R and S. Arc PMQ congruent to arc R and S. Now we will see the same with congruent circles with centers A and B. Here also given is chord PQ is congruent to chord RS, and to prove is arc PMQ is congruent to arc R and S. In triangles PAQ and RBS, side PA is congruent to side RB, side QA is congruent to side SB, as these are radii of congruent circles. And side PQ is congruent to side RS, it is given in theorem. Therefore, triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle RBS by SSS test of congruence. And therefore, angle PAQ is congruent to angle RBS, corresponding angles of congruent triangles. And these are central angles, and these are corresponding central angles of arc PMQ and arc RNS. Therefore, measure of arc PMQ is equal to measure of arc RNS, and their radii are also equal as these are congruent circles. And again, by definition of congruent arcs, two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. And here measures and radii of arc PMQ and RNS are equal. Therefore, arc PMQ is congruent to arc RNS.
I hope you understood the topic well. If you have any doubt, please comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Maths Made Easy. Thank you.